What's up? What's up? Can y'all hear me? If y'all can hear me, let me know. We got some issues at the beginning, but now I think it should be fine to go. Should be good to go. We should be good to go here. Okay. What just happened? Let me check. Yes, bro. Good, good, man. Good, good. Yo, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, best moderator? What's up, Bushi? What's up, Muhammad? What's up, Cora? Okay, this one is working. This one is not working. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Save and close. Close. Now we're just gonna go ahead and start. Oil. Open NAS. Nope. Gonna open here one. We're gonna do NAS. Gonna take it, put it here. This one's supposed to have. This one's supposed to have what? CLHO. It's supposed to have gold, silver. Okay, good. It's supposed to have. Okay. Oh, beautiful, man. Holy, what time is it? 6 a.m. Beautiful. 30 minutes, 15. Nice. That's really clean. That's really good. Holy. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Y'all are good? Y'all are good. Good, good. Okay, let's just go to daily, man. Let's get it started. Let's get this started. Let me put the micros here. Is everything working good with Tradeovate? So, your voice up. Okay. The volume, I can hear you loud. All right. Now it's better. Can you hear me now? I think it should be better now. Maybe. And come on, guys. Like, the first thing I want to do here today is like the likes. A lot of likes to push the live stream. So we got 23 here, and we got 3 likes. Maybe we can take it to like 10, 15. You guys know the deal. So let's just go ahead and start with. All right. First thing is first. We still haven't traded into that level. We got a PSP. Yesterday closed as a PSP. Look at that, bro. Like a whole swing formation that is forming as a PSP. Let me do the one thing. Logitech. Again, my mouse is tripping. So should be fixed. Okay. Now everything's good to go. All right. Wait. All right. Look at that. Look how clean is that, man. Clean C2 closure on ES. The shade above the high. Clean C2 closure. So this is that kind of that next day profile. So this day was kind of anticipated to be. Good morning, yeah. Y'all can hear me clearly, or is it just Bushi effects? If y'all can hear me, let me know. If y'all can hear me, let me know. Okay. All right. So far, what we got? Previous daily close as a C2. Open draw. Like the draw is so obvious. It's like the previous daily low, or at least current low of day. Especially how far price traded now. I would love to see some sort of continuations into the lows if they were supported, or back into previous daily low, or also into Tuesday's low. Because if you really check this week's range from that low to high, if price is going to continue higher, this is going to be that next new validation level for price is going to continue higher if it wants to. But seems like we might have a 2-stage PSP here. Might have that second stage with it in Q. We're just going to go ahead and mark that out, because we might see a reversal from here, especially that we're going to trade above a high. If price wants to continue, this is the area we'll do it from. We got that draw and also a fair swing here. So this might be that turning point for NQ, especially that now, like market open is expanding higher, but NQ seems like straight and lower. So that will be interesting to see. So far, ideally I want to take sells, but if I see proper profiling here, this daily candle doesn't really support expansion anymore. So probably very quiet. Okay. Almost TP on NQ took out. Perfect. I don't know the lows. Let me check. Maybe because of the background music, I think it's louder. So okay, I think now we should be good to go. Let me hear. Is it good? Is it good now? Like, if it's good now, let me know, guys, okay? So, all right, let's go back. Let's get back. And later on, I will check the comments. 4 hour Oh, look at that C2 closure, bro. That was a really clean trade. Two stage, man. Two stage. This was anticipated to be like a bearish day, a bearish candle. Look at that, man, bro. I'm trading 6 a.m. Like from now on. Look at that 6 a.m. bro. Two stage BSB closed. You would anticipate this into a target right there. So that would be really clean, or some sort of like swing here. Yeah, you guys know. I wouldn't really go for this level. I'll probably go for here or 30-minute. Nah, it was already retested. So I would really go for the low. Anyways, now that we got like this two like back-to-back for our expansion candles, I really want to want to see price kind of continue lower, especially with ES that we got the draw still open. That's really good. That's really clean. The C2 from a two-stage PSP, 6 a.m. Ideally, I want to say the 10 a.m. continue lower, man. Like ideally, we're forming the high. This is the high of day from a protected swing. Like, look at that. This is the daily high from a protected swing. Manipulation two-stage PSP and kind of from this minor gap. So that's really good. Ideally, I want to trade away from the high of day into the current low of day and previous daily low. So that would be kind of that idea for me. Let me just take that off. That's too much. That's too much. So yeah, we got that SMT. Just go ahead and mark it out. SMT. Top. This is a PSP. So top. Okay. 6 a.m. But that's too noisy for me, man. I think now is better, man. Alright. I didn't want to go for this low, which is the current low of day. This is 1800s low, so open low, then high. So this is more like a delayed projection profile. We had the high of day first formed, and then we got a new high from the 52 stage. So ideally, I want to see revert, like price trading lower here. Even though like NQ is really near the draw, hopefully we'll see a further to manipulate to continue to that low. So yes, we'll have time to kind of catch up to that same low. That would be really the best scenario, especially with this CISD here. So got a CISD. Like the next new invalidation level should be, since this gap is not the best, like the EQ of that range, which we're expecting, like none of the candles closed above it, which is good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the idea of taking shorts into this level here. So really go for 1 hour. Holy, seems like it's just expanding lower. It's not stopping, man. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a trade here. Yeah, we're not getting a trade here. For sure. Yeah, we're not gonna get a trade, boys. Look at that. Like both sides were supported. Oh no, that's not it. Yeah, you could have took it like this. Two stage to the highs. Or no, that wasn't the case. 1 minute. Yeah, that 3 minute and changing state is good, but yeah, let's see if price manages to kind of pull back before it takes out that draw or that next relevant swing, which is here. Let's see if we're gonna get some sort of M15 two stage, which is probable that we might get it. Like if like YM just straight above a high, and really like the current price is really close to the high of the candle. So by the time I'm probably gonna get that two stage, look how far the high is from the current price. So probably gonna get that second stage to continue lower, and this is a PSP, so it will be a two-stage PSP. So if we get that setup, that would be beautiful. So either that continuation from a two-stage PSP, or I will be looking for a new swing formation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark that out. Put my alert on YM. I'm just gonna keep alerts here, so that way if the draw gets hit, then I'll know what's going on. But yeah, so far ideally I want to take sells. Like YM looks like I want to go to the upside, which is good for her. For YM, where's the low of day? This is the low of day. Do we have any two stage here? Not really. Okay, so ES just at the draw. I think I'm gonna form that two stage here now for YM. If it hits the draw, then that would be another story, because really NQ already traded into that level. So now NQ traded into that level. ES is probably that mid asset is gonna be the one that triggers the reversal. So this is like more of asset resync. So for YM, if ES takes out the low and takes out that draw, or probably that draw, then I would be more focused on buys, on longs, and which one is better for longs? YM. Again, if they set up, ideally with the fact that we have this two-stage PSP here at the lows, two-stage PSP forming from a relevant swing, which is straight up below, relevant swing got respected, CISD. So ideally I want to take that 10 a.m. expansion back into the highs or back into that draw. Like this is the new invalidation level, which is the gap for price to continue lower. If price fails to reverse from here, then yeah, we'll have this for sure, for sure. So that's what I would be open to trading. So it's like got 15 minutes for the candle to close. So let me see. No entry for shorts. Yeah, check YM Lemo. What is it? What is blood doing? Let's not get him. Fishing needs to do this analysis. Marlon, thanks, bud. Holy, look what happened here, man? Look at that, bro. Look at that. What happened? Wait, let me check forex factor rate. Let me check. Wow, bro. That was so clean. Look at that daily candle, man. Also yesterday. What time was this? 1300. Oh, so after we finished the stream, look at that swing formation and that continuation higher. Oh, so RB probably hit the draw by that we took yesterday, right? Oh, we did. Holy. I think I did mark that out. Yeah, I did mark it out. Oh, it did actually. This is the trade we took. Where's the trade we took? It was somewhere. Yeah, it was here from the gap. Oh, it couldn't have taken me out if I held the trade. It could have played out. Interesting. I got out at this first CISD. We got a 2-stage here. I think I checked it. Oh, I think I remember. I checked it on, what is it called? FOMC. Because I wanted to take a look at FOMC. I did take a trade. I did take a break even on FOMC. So that was good. But CL was a lot cleaner. Where is CL? It was somewhere in here. Wow, that was really clean, man. New validation level swing. Wow, perfect. M5. CISD. This is what? This is not my CISD. This is not mine. Oh, it's the indicators. Is that indicator CISD? That's good. Oh, also this one. Oh, this one is mine. Okay, never mind. Also, the CISD is the indicators. How can I take it off? By the way, guys, like it shows like really old CISDs. Look at that. Look at that. It shows old stuff. But yeah, this one is really clean. Look at this. Look at that CISD. Intra-candle changing state to confirm the low of the 1300 candle, which is here. Stop. TP. Really clean. I think today I might be a little bit patient to allow price to do his thing. Look at that. Range, we're not gonna reverse from something to the left. We're gonna form something, then take it out and then continue. Did we have SMT? I think we did. Yeah, I think we did. Really ideal setup on CL. But today is just expanding higher, so I don't think I'm gonna trade today, CL. Not gonna lie, bro. Yeah, just hit a draw. Hourly. Probably for the trace, just like we did here. Where was it? Probably with like a cleaner tracement. I will take it back to the highs. Other than that, I wouldn't really touch it. HO haven't expanded that much, so we can still kind of take trades on it. But other than that, yeah. Let me see. Daily. So what we got? C2. This is that C3. We're still trading within a C4, and that C4 still supports expansion with that shallow opposing run. But the next draw is like all the way up here. 4 hour. Yeah, there's no, like, probably can use this low, this high too, but still it's a bit far away from current price. We're trading within this gap. Okay. So ideally, yeah. Ideally, I just want to see some sort of retracement. Try to anticipate the low of 10 a.m. and take it back to the 6 a.m. high / current high of day. That's the only thing I can do right now. C2, C3. I want to take the C4, but somewhere in here. That's the only thing I can do. Or like an SMT fail. That would also be good. Yeah, or some sort of SMT fail. So that's the only thing I'll be looking at for HO and RB and CL. RB looks a bit cleaner. Daily. Is there any close proximity draw? Not really. Yeah, I just took it out. That's the only issue, that there's no draw. So the only draw we can use is the current high of day. So we need, it's a must now. It's a must to wait for a new swing, just like yesterday. Just like what we saw on CL. If we're gonna get such setup, that would be good. If not, yeah. There's nothing really close. Like, next draw is here. And the day has already expanded. Look how, like this, I think this is the biggest range from the previous days, right? Other than this day. Yeah, it's like the biggest. Almost. And we still got like 7 hours for the daily candle to close. So, yeah. We still got like 10 a.m. and 1400, which are like 2 good sessions to trade. So, 2 good like 4-hour candles. So, yep. We gotta wait here. We gotta wait. We really have to wait. We already have like this 2-stage here. If you really check, you got the 2-stage here. But again, the draw is like really close by. I wouldn't really want to take this one here. Yeah. Ideally, retrace here or kind of take out this low or something. For price to take out that low would be a lot better. But for now, like we do have the 2-stage. Like look at that. It's an SMT fill with a PSP. But would I take it? Not really. Not really. I wouldn't take this one. Okay, gold is beautiful. Gold is looking beautiful. Why? Because it's just ranging the whole day. So we might give something. CL, silver. Garrett already took a trade, which is really great. That guy doesn't sleep anymore, man. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So that's like a 2-stage now. That is a 2-stage. That is a 2-stage. Interesting. So we got this 2-stage here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle to close, and then I'm gonna take shorts into the lows. Not really the lows. I'm gonna take it till here, to that level. So, yep, shorts are the play. Shorts are the play. 15. Okay, so what I want to see, we got a gap. Either if I want to take ES, NQ, oh not really. I don't want to take NQ. I want to take ES. ES, I still can anticipate price to get to that low. Some sort of 2-stage or something, which I don't think we're gonna get. Just in 1 stage is enough, but yeah, I would be down to take Y into the lows. That would be really clean. We'll just trade above irrelevant swing. Reversed. Now this is the area for price. So we need to see if there's to manipulate if price wants to continue higher. But we kind of what we did. We filled to CISD higher, but now it seems like we're gonna get that CISD lower, forming the high of the day off of a 2-stage. That would be really clean. So if we get that CISD, I don't really need the CISD. I just need a clean hourly swing or like a 30-minute swing, and that would be enough for me to kind of get the ball rolling. Let's see if that new validation level holds or not, and then I'll be willing to take the trade. Yeah, that's 2-stage just failed. Okay, let's go to gold. Come on, everything's just expanding. All right, trade above irrelevant swing. Ideally, if they were to manipulate on silver for gold to go to that high, that would be good. That would be good. That would be a good trade, especially with that SMT here. It's aligned with that daily. We also have, we have like a minor, no, it's not really a strength switch. But yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait. There's nothing really here we can do right now. Like the only thing we can do is probably YM shorts. Like ES already are about to hit the draw, so that's the only thing we can do. Or wait for some sort of retracement back into the range. 3-minute. It's gonna set another here. Set another one here. Let me see the hourly. What we got here? Do we have any close proximity level here? Yeah, it's that same high. It's a bit far away. Yeah, so yeah, for now, what I want to do, 4-hour, if you really check, seems like it's close in a C2, which you will. Like it's a C2 to both sides, which is like more of a seek and destroy. But I like the fact that we traded from a gap and we reversed instantly. If price shows bearishness, I'm gonna take it. If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and trust this 2 stage here, and I would see this as a failure to manipulate to go to the highs, especially that we have just traded below a relevant swing, and price instantly reacted off of it. And not only that, we also have a CISD here. So I would be open to both situations, depending on how this 30-minute candle closes. That's what's gonna really make. That's what really gonna give me a clear picture. But the only issue with YM, if I want to take longs into the high, there's nothing really here that I can trade that I can trade from, that I can trade away from. So the only thing is, for me, like, the CISD is really far away. So what I need is like an expansion, form a gap, trade back into it, form the low of 10 a.m., then continue higher. So for now, we just gotta wait. Is Trade of 8 working? Let me check if Trade of 8 is working. Which I think it is. Yep, it's working. Good. Alright. Trade of 8 is back. Okay, we got 11 likes and we got 52 viewers. Come on. We need to take the likes up. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday we got a new record of 76 likes. Now we're far, like, we're 65 likes away from the target, from all-time highs. So maybe we'll take the likes like 20, 30. Yep. Let's see the likes going up. Let's see the likes going up. Because today, I'm sure we're gonna have something here. I'm sure. I think it's gonna be a beautiful day here today. Yeah. I really want to take HO longs, RB longs, CL longs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put CL here. All right. GC is like a meme. GC is like a meme coin. YM shorts. Yeah, so far it's not really clear. 250 pips in a single candle. What was it? 176. Insane. You can make it show just the recent CISD. Oh, that's good. Let me check. Okay, once it's loaded, let me check the comments. Can I target the 4-hour fair value gap at lows in Q? Yeah, that would be a good target, but that's not a financial advice. I think it already got there. Yeah, I think it already got there. This one, this gap, or that gap? Yes, buy. No, I cannot tell for the time being. Show some love, guys. Let's break previous high. We got 76 like here. Wait, we are here. We had a deep retracement. Now we're at 18 likes. This is 76. We did the big retracement, so come on. We need to start like going slowly. Like this is now, it was 11. Now I think it's 18. So we're probably gonna go slow. Yeah, break the new high. New PR. Home disk. Heart. Okay. Wow. Okay. How can I T-spot max display short time frame? Padding from point count space. Delete T-spot when trading against. Show CISD line. Extend latest projection to current bar. I'm not really sure what to do with so. Not really sure which one. High time frame mode, custom time frame, 4 hours. Oh, going on. Max display. This like for the high time frame candles, right? 4. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do it. But anyways, let's go back. Let's go back. 3 minutes. Alright, so no PSPs here so far. Okay, okay. YM seems like she's gonna give that break lower, then continue directly. So now you can anticipate like the SMG break probably, but it's not really something I would take for the time being. I would still wait. Let me take that off. Take off one. Yeah, for the time being, I would still wait. If it goes, it goes. Take this off. Ideally, I want to see a new setup right now, like a reaction off the gap, a new CISD. If we don't, yeah, because my sweep is not here, so, and also the target is so close by that I cannot get to R. That's another reason, and I'm not just gonna go ahead and anticipate that we're gonna go for 2R. Took the short, yeah, it's clean. Oh, it's got another low here. Okay, did not really pay attention to it. It's just gonna bleed. Price is just going to bleed right now. But I like CL, man. I like CL. Oh, let me see what is going on here. This is a C3, by the way, but it's not a PSP. Hourly, 3 minutes. All right. I want to take CL, man. Go to CISD and projections in the settings and turn off show all CISD lines to fix it. CISD and projections, I think they're at the okay. And turn off show all CISD lines. Where are all CISD lines? Oh, this one? But this is show CISD lines. Extend. I'm not sure. I think it was on CL where it was showing, so let me just go ahead and try it out. It was, the CISD was somewhere in here. Okay, so we got 1, 2. Okay, we still got him. So that did not fix it. Show CISD lines. That would take them off. What do we got? Now we got a C2, but we don't have the CISD candle here. Okay. So that did not also fix it. So I'm not sure. Show confirmation labels. Show only latest sweep. Okay. Like, look at that, bro. Like, if you trade the fractal model, that would be a perfect idea. Like, I hope this was in the opposite direction. I hope. Like, this C2 closure with the CISD. Now we're just forming a new intra-candle changing state with the gap. That would be really clean, but like my bias is long. So, oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at how many CISDs we got. So that's really clean. But I need that new swing. And also, if you want to take shorts right now, like, you can anticipate the low to get taken out. Maybe it will get taken out, but the problem is, like, look at that daily candle. So you're going against the current daily, going against the 4 hour just because of a 30-minute swing. So that would be an issue for such trade. There's no cracking correlation here. There's no 2-stage, so it's just straight hope. Wow. Really good. Wow, what just happened, man? What just happened, man? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I think we're going to the current low of week, maybe. That's really great. Damn, bro. That 2-stage. That true stage, just 6 a.m. was like really clean. Let me see 3 minute. If you want to take the 6 a.m. or the 6 a.m. high. Somewhere in here, okay. Boom, boom. Probably this trade by market open. I think somebody executed on that trade, I'm sure. One of the traders, probably somebody executed here with stops there. Probably. Anyways, now for, yeah. There's nothing here really. YM, like the only thing is YM. Okay, I knew it was gonna start reversing. No, it's not gonna go directly. Especially without far price. I need now the gap to hold, and then I would be willing to take it. Yeah, it was obvious that YM was gonna flip. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see if now YM wants to continue lower. If it flips, now I might be interested. Maybe. Let's see how it forms. Because by the closure, I could tell like if I want to take it or not. Okay, we got an alert here. There's nothing really we can take here right now on NQ. Nothing. Oh, let me wake up, bro. I love when I wake up. This is so far. Okay. Ideally, do you know the ideal scenario for me? Look at that. So we're just traded below. That's probably like a 4-hour gap. Just looking at these expansions, that's probably a 4-hour gap. Most likely. Yeah, just looking at these expansions. Trading into a gap, but that won't really bother me for the time being. What I want to see actually, holy, YM just flipped. Okay. You want to go lower? Let's go all lower, bro. Let's go all to the lows, man. Let's go together. Let me log into my TraderVate. Let me log in. Come on. Be fast, please. It's not showing, man. The trading panel is not showing. Come on. Please? Can I get my TraderVate, please? I think it's somewhere in here. Trade? Okay, good. YM. We got 2 minutes for the candle to close. It's gonna go ahead and mark that out. I'm gonna go to the main again. Okay. TraderVate. We got it logged in. Got it figured out. Let's see how much the risk is gonna be like for this trade. But I'm gonna go for probably this low. Probably go for that low. Okay, I'm gonna go with one contract. If we get the closure below. Let's see what a 1 minute's looking like. I'll wait. I will wait. There's nothing here. Okay, come on, take out the high. That would be really clean too. Ideally, if this one closes bearish, the next one takes out the high. CIC there. Oh, beautiful. But this one has to close bearish if I want to take that setup. And that will be the last try that I'll take before waiting for like a higher time frame confirmation. So with that fair, I want to see the high gets taken out. Then that's CIC. Okay, so we got a failure to CISD now, especially from that 1 minute auto block. All right, so now ideally what I want to see is just say this, like that would be really good, because now my entry, instead of here, it will be here. My stop is probably going to be smaller, so instead of going from here to here, I think it will be the same, but still it will be cleaner. Or I want to see closure below this level, which is that M1 CISD, because we got a failure to CISD here, so I'll just be a little bit cautious right there, especially with how far our assets have expanded already. So just gotta be cautious. Okay, gold, just dump. Damn, bro. Okay. M5 and 3. Let me turn on that. Turn on the PSP. Play song. Let's see. So I might be the time to enter the trade here. So let's see if we're gonna get that closure. And ideally, as I said, I want to see that 3-minute candle close below this level, especially with the fact that this is like a M1 CISD, and this M1 is really clean. Like, look at the opposing run, bro. The opposing run is really clean. Like, this is one of them days. If you want to take the M1, this is the kind of auto blocks you can depend on that they might hold. Like, I like how this bulky candle is the bearish one, also that one. So, okay, yeah. Okay, so I might get that setup that I was looking for. Okay, this is the last chance that I'm gonna give YN. Break above the high, CISD here. If it doesn't do it, I'll wait for like a 2-stage cracking correlation or something. Alright, we got 62 viewers here. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. And I'm aiming for 1,500 subscribers by the end of the month, which I think we're gonna get, because now we are at, let me check, 1,400 or something? 1,426. Yesterday we were at 1,400 on today's live stream, and we got 25 now. So I think today we can get like 30 subs. So we still got, look at that. How many subs? We got 47 subs to the target, to hit the target. We got 47 subs. 74, not 47. 74 to hit the target. So maybe we can get 7. We still got today. Still got 3 days. So each day we need 25 subs. So I think we're gonna get it. So guys, if you haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, really subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because that would really help the channel grow. And that's the only way you guys can support me. So if you guys enjoy the live streams, benefit from them. It's like the main reason. If you guys benefit from them, take some value, yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, unlike the live stream. So yep, let's get back. Yeah, I don't like how it's behaving, bro. I don't like how price is doing. So for the time being, we cannot really take that volume short. For the time being, it's just, yeah, we're just gonna wait. If we're gonna get that short, ideally I want to see the highs get taken out, bro. But if we don't, that would be also fine. So no, that wouldn't be fine. That wouldn't be fine. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, like I hate the fair to CISD. So yep, let's see what's going on here. So let me just, are you gonna go now? Are you going to go now? Do we have a 2-stage here, or like some sort of, do we have an SMT? Yeah, we do. Okay. Okay, so we have this SMT. Okay, let's see if that's gonna be the trigger for price reverse right now. Let's see if that would be the trigger for price reverse. If it is, then yeah, I might change my mind right there with that SMT. Do I have any PSPs here or not? Do I have PSP? Yeah, we do. Is that like a 2-stage? Not really. Okay. Hoo hoo. Hoo hoo. Okay. Okay. Let me mark that out, because I gotta be aware of that low. Then the next level swing. So let's see if we're gonna get the retracement or not. Let me pay attention to the 1 minute too, because if we don't close below this level, I'm not taking it. Even if we close below the M3 and we don't close below the M1, I'm not gonna take it. Alright, seems like it's reversing. Okay. That SMT was valid just to kind of take out the low on other assets. M3, yeah. Let's see if we're gonna close the low or not. Give me the closure. Give me the closure. Am I gonna get the closure or not? Nah, I'm not gonna take it. I am not gonna take it, even though we got the M3 closure. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it. Dun, 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 dun. A bunch of failures to CISD, so if it goes lower, good luck. But it's not something that I would take actually. I like when a price kind of just plays around. Look at that, it kind of fails to CISD once, twice, 3 times. So it's like too many failures to CISD. So it's not really something that I would do, that I would take. So what I ideally want to see right now is like a second stage here. Ideal like a second stage. We just got the new 15-minute candle open. So let me go ahead and kind of do my analysis here on M15. If you guys really check, let's see what's going on here on the M15. There's nothing really we can take right now. So the only thing if I want to take shorts is will be YM. So probably because we have no gaps formed here, the only thing we can do right now is probably wait for a new swing formation off of the order block, because there's nothing to kind of reverse off of other than the order block itself. So yeah, I'll wait for like a, or for this high to get taken out. I'm gonna be paying attention to this level, to the high. Yeah, too many failures, man. Are you waiting for a string switch? Oh, I don't really need it now. Already got the hive, they confirmed. We got the drawn liquidity, so I don't really need the string switch right now. I just need the one stage cracking correlation is enough. Just an SMT. It doesn't have to show string switch. Or a manipulation of lower time frame swings. That's what I really want to see. Oh, we got 75 viewers here. Welcome. Welcome. Let me see the subs. So we started at 1426. Let's see. Let's see. Is the day low-key over now? Seems like. But let's just wait, man. Yesterday was really dry until 1300. There was a setup on CL, so I cannot really anticipate what's gonna happen. Look at that. Actually, that swing formation ended up doing its job. Wait, did we just trade above irrelevant swing? Oh. So what was this? Okay. Is it going higher or lower? Lower, okay. Look at that, man. Okay. Forget about it. Alright, so what I was talking about is actually a swing from off of a relevant swing. That was good. That was a clean trade to kind of catch the lows. That was a clean one. Like in terms of a tree trace fractal model, Malik is just against the daily, so. Let's see, now we're at the gap, which is that new validation level for price to continue higher. If you really check between that low, the high, we had the order block or the gap. Did their job. Order block, again, price expanded. We formed a swing off of nothing really here, just off of that low. Again, same order block, did its job. Now the order block and the gap. So here, I want to see a new swing formation. If I see that swing formation, I'll take it. M15, that's really clean. That's not a, is that a PSB or not? It's not, okay. It's not a PSB. But let's see if we're gonna have a 2-stage here. Okay, so far we have a 1 stage. So let's see if the 2 stage is gonna be close with the PSB. Okay, so for the next 15 minutes, like when this M15 candle closes, if it gives me a proper setup, I'll take CL back to the highs. Yeah, ideally CL. HO is also clean because it kind of swept. Did it sweep? No. Yeah, ideally CL. Ideally CL. Kind of trading away from that gap and trade back into the hive day. That would be the setup for me. Let's see what YM is doing. Yeah, it's just YM just fucking around. Yep. So I would only be interested when we hit the draw. I want to see if I were to manipulate to the next level or if we trade above the high. Other than that, good luck if you guys took YM, but it's not something absolute I would take. Not really. Because that's why I did not take it. So for gold. Holy. What the fuck just happened, man? 6% drop. What the? Can you imagine? Somebody would be up like. No, wait, let me check. They're up from here. 37%. Wow, and then you're down 6% in like 10 minutes. That's crazy. I was a day away from payout and then blown my. Holy. I feel bad for you, man. I feel bad for you now. Come on, guys. Can we take the likes, like 50 likes? Can we take it to 50 likes? We got 65 viewers here, and we got 32 likes. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. We got 1426. So the target is. You know what I'm gonna make, guys. Like I always tell you guys this, but I always forget to make it. You have that banner here, and it just shows like YouTube here. They will be like the refined trader. I'll show like also Instagram here, and it will show like Twitter, and then here there will be like a sub count, and we'll have like a target. So whatever number, for example like 1.5k is the subs, and there will be a line here. But when I checked, it was like easier to make it on Twitch, so I was like, you know what, let me just do it later. I want to make this. It will be really good for the stream. We can just put it somewhere in here, just above that trading panel. So you guys, so when I want to log in into my trader vid, I don't have to kind of go to starting soon, and then it will help to make the layout better, and also it will be beneficial for you guys can see the target, all my socials and stuff. It will probably be here. YouTube, oh no, YouTube you guys already here, so it doesn't really matter. Probably put here Discord, IG, and then X, and then the sub count. And at some point I will have my webcam. Probably will be to the left, with like some sort of lalahi here. So soon I'm gonna make the live stream a lot better. Yep. Daily for very gap but 4 hour. Yes, I think you're holding. Seems like they're holding, yeah. Like and sub. Rob's on the best moderator. So I would like to see a true reversal in Mimo. Oh, bro, like you're kind of going against the daily candle. That's the only issue. If you want to take a reversal off of the gap, look how far the day has expanded. So you're just trying to catch that. Like when you have an open high low day and you're trying to take longs, now you're just trying to anticipate that low close, which is the lowest probable formation on the lowest probability trades are within that phase. Especially that it's just a gap. If it was like a relevant swing, probably here, I would be like, okay, that makes sense. But since it's just a gap, even if it reverses, like the probability of it working out tomorrow and after tomorrow and after tomorrow is just not that high likely. But again, you can do it, buddy, if that's your plan. 1 minute. Do we get a closure below? Look at that. Close, back in, breakout, break back in. Yeah, this is the type of PA I want to avoid. Okay. Good. Let me see the hourly. Do we have like an SMT with an hourly swing? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at RB. Look at CL. Beautiful. M15. Looks like we're going to get that C2. Maybe. Do we have like a 3-minute close? We don't have any close proximity level. So we need a 2-stage. Ideally, we need a second stage. We need probably. It would be ideal if RB kind of forms that second stage here. This. Close above. Just like we did on yesterday. Where was it? Oh, this one. Just like we did yesterday. Here. This. And that would be also a strength switch. Going from weaker to stronger with a strength switch. That would be beautiful. Probably CL or HL takes out. Oh, look at that. Just pushed higher. So yeah. Hopefully we get that second stage. Because for now, we cannot really take it. The only option, the only time I can take it is if price expands. Forms a gap or something. So you guys know. Already know. Try it. Take that out. Put a limit here. Then probably another one somewhere in here. So if price just decides to break above the high, we'll see if we have any expansions or not. Okay. Gold. Oh my god. I'm playing music. I did not play any music, man. I'm gonna read it on Spotify. Okay. I sold 20 seconds. So it was too tight. 22 and just city selling 10. Yeah. Come on, brother. Let me check if y'all can hear the music. Okay, y'all can't. Okay, that's good. All right. Um. Okay, so for now, again, let's do the analysis because we got the 10 a.m. candles. So let me just go ahead and do the analysis again. What I need to add is probably just filter the precision swing points, like probably by, for example, just so the precision swing points within this day or 2 days, because look, it shows a lot of PSP. So I think I'll work on that. I'll add it. So it's not here. What am I doing? So for now, what do we got? It cleans to closure, like really clean. Again, this candle doesn't support expansion, so the next candle just should expand right away. So ideally, you can take it to here, or probably this current low of day. This current low of week. We're kind of reacting off of the current low of day, the previous 4-hour high, previous 4-hour low. So what do we have here? Seems like NQ is gonna form the gap. Even if it doesn't, even if it closes that gap, we still got a really good looking gap here. So the only thing we can do right now is like wait for a second stage, A1 stage. That's the only thing we can do right now. But it has to be with a gap. So it needs to be with a gap. That way we'll have like some sort of confluence there. Because I'm not just gonna take a trade based off the 4-hour candle, like based off the previous candle reversing, based off the previous candle's high. Especially that, like if it was in that case, yeah, we'll trade above a relevant swing. I can anticipate the reversal from here, but here, no. It needs to have a gap. So now we have a PSP. Now it just got better. So are we gonna get this? Seems like YM is the one that's trading lower. It's formed that PSP. So probably gonna get this. But by then, look at all these stacked highs, bro. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, now price is moving. Look out for me, look out for me. No, a good thing. Wow, what just happened? Check Forex Factory. Do something like really. What happened, bro? Did Trump take Venezuela again? US on some inventories. I don't know. Okay, so it seems like YM is trading lower, which is good. Same time, not good because I'm not in the trade. Okay, it seems like we're not gonna get that 2 stage here, by the way. Yeah, it's less likely now. But let's wait and see. Let's see. What do you guys think? We change the color of the chart? What do you guys think? We change the color of the chart? Wait. Let's make it the default one. Big retracement for the XY in the next few days. I don't check the XY, man. Okay, so for now, what I really want to see is like kind of the... Okay, so the M15 is not closing as a C2. Not here too. Not here too. Okay, so ideally, I want to see that second stage. I would be willing to trade the second stage directly. Are we going to get it or not? That's the question. So for gold... Oh, man, look at that. Like, the most ideal scenario is like a two-stage. It's like an SMT fail. That's really clean. I would just anticipate like a failure to manipulate that level and to continue back into that low. That would be really clean. That would be really good. Easy trade. Yeah, man, that would be really good if we get that some sort of SMT fail here to kind of continue to the lows. That would be really good. Come on, push higher. Come on, even higher. Okay, so good. So we get the we did not. Okay. All right, so we get the second stage here. Okay. So ideally, I want to take RB. RB also is about to take out a low. Okay, let's wait. You should take YM. Nah, bro. So, okay, so we're forming the gap so far on gold, which is good. Also on silver. And silver is a lot better because we got this close proximity low here. So, yeah, man. Let's see. Wait, what I can do? Wait, I can do something here. I'll put an alert here. Okay, YM's just gonna continue lower now. Okay, good luck. Okay, so good. We're gonna continue back to that low and then reverse. For now, we get that SMT here, so. Yeah. Look at that, man. Straight failure to manipulate. Just like a failure to manipulate with no pause. Just boom. Yeah, this is like the thing. Like, if you want to... Holy... Okay, good. Two AM is the low here. 2 AM is not the low here. Look at that 6 AM again. Holy. Like, what is going on with 6 AM lately? 4, 5. What is going on with 6 AM lately, man? It was just delivering. It's just delivering, really. 3 minutes. 20 piece. Okay. 7:30 is the low to form that new swing. Look at that, man. Look at that trade. Easy expansion. Yeah, easy expansion. I swear I'm gonna be trading 6 AM really soon. I swear. Bro, like the amount of trades I missed by waiting for 10 is just crazy. What the hell? That's like an easy 2R. I would be done by my day. I would be done like really now. I would be done. Like I wouldn't even trade 10 AM. If I get that trade, I wouldn't be trading, man. I'll get my 2R and go. That's it. $6 AM. So today we had a setup. Let's check 6 AM also. probably already set up here. 6 a.m. probably at also that set up here. Yeah, setup. Yeah, it's actually delivering. Look at this one. Look at that Tuesday and that expansion right up at the high, right back to the high. So I already took my setup, by the way. This bro, have a good night. This bro, have a good night. See you, my brother. Look at YM, man. It's just expanding lower. Okay, so far so good. We got the PSP forming, which is a good sign. Okay. Okay. CL is forming better actually. But like still respecting that hourly gap. We're still kind of trading within the hourly gap. If we get that C2 closure here with the okay, this is not a 2-stage, but it's really good. It would be good. It would be a good. It would be a good trade back to the highs. Yeah. So YM just hit the draw almost. All right. Draw was hit. So it was actually a good trade back to take it to here. But it's just the closures, man. So it was going to be a 3R here. It was going to be this trade. Okay. All right. That was good. That was a good. That was a clean move. Not gonna lie. Here, like from here, that was a clean move. Okay, so I'm still waiting for CL now. That would be the only thing I might take today. I took it. Nice, man. Nice. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Now it just got better due to the fact that we kind of traded lower, so we have a CISD level. So it's good. That's the only thing I can do right now. YM, thank you. Alright, so the only thing I can do right now is CL. If I kind of miss that one, then yeah, we'll have to wait for a new trade. And I hope RB takes out that level. I hope. It will be triggered for reversal, just like it did. I don't remember when was it. Yeah, it was here. Ooh. It was this day when I was waiting for it. But yeah, but I ended up taking CL. So yeah, just like that. Like, when kind of, it's just so close to the draw. Yeah, ideally I want to see this, just like now. Yeah, we're so close. Take it out, and then that probably will be the trigger for reversal. Oh, look at that. It's same. We had that deep retracement back into the range to take out a level. That's the same we're having right now. So that's the next relevant swing that we want to kind of reverse off of. So let me put the CISD is going to be somewhere in here. The low is going to be somewhere in here. HO, same. I'm going to do that. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We got 35 likes, and we got 52 viewers here. What's up, what's up? Welcome, welcome. So far, we haven't taken any trades yet, so we're just here waiting. So, yeah, man, I think we can get something here today. So, I think we'll manage. Hopefully, we can manage to get like 1450. That would be really good if we can manage to get there. And yeah, we can get to 1500 in the next 2 days. That would be really good. So let's see. Alright, so it seems like price wants to create a new low, so we're just gonna go wait and wait. Let's just wait for it to set up. Yesterday, like after we close the stream, I showed you guys at the start of the stream. The setup we got at 1300, so I'm just gonna go wait and wait. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to wait until 1300. So got something tomorrow really early, so. Do you take any setup yet? Not really, man. I was waiting for YM, but I did not. I wanted to see IC, but I want to keep just chopping around. I was like, you know what? That was like the only setup that was forming. I was gonna take it from here to that low, which it did deliver. But yeah, now I'm just waiting for HO. Okay, let me see. Hopefully RB is gonna take out a low now. Come on, RB. Come on. This is your reversal sign. Come on. Oh, and the day is flipping bearish. That's something to be careful about. Alright, so we got the first thing. Seems like we're gonna get the PSP, but are we gonna get the second stage? Most likely not. Silver is really far from that current high. Also, gold is really far from that high, so I don't think we're gonna get there. I don't think we're gonna get there. Let's see. What? Let's see. Ideally, I want to see fire so many play from here. That's the only thing I can do right now, man. That's the only thing to the next draw. Okay, HO traded lower. That's good. RB also traded lower. Okay, finally. So now we need to see price trading higher. I would just kind of disregard this gap. So just form the new low of day. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna have a delayed protraction profile, which I think we will. Just form the new low of day here. off of kind of that gap. So let's see. Like if price wants to reverse, this is the area we'll do it from. There is nowhere else to kind of price reverse. Or if I see a failure to reverse right now, I will take CL into the lows. If we fail to reverse right now, then because yeah, this is the only area price will reverse from. Like RB is gonna be the one that's probably gonna start the reversal. So if we see a failure to manipulate on RB, I will be open to taking CL shorts into that same low, with the anticipation that this is not gonna reverse price. So probably we'll need one of them to kind of trigger again, so kind of trade into that same level. So we'll anticipate like the SMT break or HO, like one of them. Especially HO like has these fair swings. But like probably CL. But again, if we fail to reverse, but seems like now we're forming that C2, which I want, which is something I want to see. Okay. Do you know any good SMT indicator? Not really, man. You told me to wait so long. Okay, so far, hopefully the manipulation of the high and some sort of new setup forms, I can take it at lows. If we take out the high, I would be willing to take shorts into the low. That's something I would want to do. Again, longs on CL, gold, there's nothing really. Or if we get that 2-stage here. If we get just in 1 stage, because this one already closed bearish. Let me check on GBP. XH, what? 32, open at 32. So it's not the same price. 30. Let me check XAG Euro. For something that opens at the same. Maybe let's just do Wanda for the sake of now. Okay. So it also closed bearish. This one's closing bearish. Okay. Okay. So probably if we get that second stage, just saying 1 stage here is enough. And we have this one. But I think like by the time price would trade all the way up here, I wouldn't really be willing to trade the C2. But let's see. I'll just wait for a swing. But it needs to trade back into the gap if I want to take a setup on silver. Okay, so far so good. So we got the SMT. It seems like we might get a PSP here. So it would be a good trade to take it to the highs. Let me see. Okay, so we get this SMT here. So that's kind of that first change in state. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. So far so good. So we got the SMT first, and we get the second stage, which is the BSB. Bro, this like whenever it shows up and I go to the charts, it doesn't hide automatically. I don't know why. I need to update my Windows 10. Probably go to Windows 11. Like let's see. Okay, so 12 minutes to go. 12 minutes to go for that candle to close. Are gonna take it back to the highs. That's gonna be the setup. Silver setup. Okay. YM did actually deliver that one. Okay. Okay. I might be willing to take YM here. I actually might be willing to take it. There's nothing to reverse off of other than. Let me check. Will I give like 2R here? Probably if I try to squeeze the RR. Okay. Hourly. Last 10 minutes. I'll try to get like 2R. Let me see the projections. If I use the projection, This is not a clean level. This is not a clean level. So, have we made it to the 4? Oh, we did. 5. Not really. I'm not really gonna choose this swing. M1. Yeah, it's that same swing. Because so far it seems like just CL is setting up. Just now YM is like so overextended. Let me set M15. Yeah. Set M5. M3. It's a bit late to the party, but $500. Probably go with MYM. Is it MYM or what is it called? Yeah, MYM. But I haven't gotten the closure on MYM. Okay. Have we? Did we get MYM? Did we get the closure? Not really. Okay, so I'll probably go with like 250 here because it's less probability trade. So not as less probability. It looks good, but just price is really expanded. So might just go for that swing. Go with like 5 contracts for like 250. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna get that closure. If we do, I'm gonna take it back to that low. But I'm gonna take CL full risk. $16 seconds to go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's see if price is gonna trace back. And in 6 minutes, we'll have a new 30-minute candle and 15 hourly everything. So if that next candle is gonna open that open high, that's where we'll do it from. So, and if this candle closes bearish, I'm gonna go ahead and it forms a gap. We'll just trade from the gap and put stop at the body. That's what I'll do. Okay, CL is forming perfectly. Let's go. That's what I love to see, man. Okay, perfect. Do we have EPSP here or no? It is APSP or no? Not APSP, but it doesn't matter. And again, I'm going with low risk on that because look how far price expanded. I'm just anticipating that this is a fair to manipulate. So that's the whole concept. Like we're already within a C2, C3. This is a C4. So that's why I'm going $200. So that's the only reason, guys. If it was like somewhere in here, I would take it full risk. This is like a B setup. But it just seems like the draw might still get hit this low. Might still get hit, so let's just ride it until then. That's gonna be a good trade if it does play out. But like my full risk is gonna be on CL. If I take my full risk trade on CL and this one haven't tagged me in, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the order and focus on that one. Okay, so it seems like I'm gonna get tagged in right now. It just missed my entry. Okay, I'm tagged in. Come on. Okay, so I'm in. This is my setup, by the way. CL is the one I want. Let me go ahead and record. Okay, that seems like it's straight to stop loss. Alright, so we just lost $200 there. Look at that. I should have risked it way more here. I should have went with low risk here. Oh my god, bro. So I'm just focused on CL here. Okay, so I just got taken out. Just focus on CL. That looks really good. Okay. Let's see for the next candle. I want to take a price all the way up to the highs. Where's YM? Didn't it take me out yet? Okay. $15. Let's see now. What YM is doing? You want to trade lower? Come on, trade. Come on. I'm not gonna bother, man. Let me take this one, man. Save myself $100 there. It's going down. Let me see how much I got tagged out for. Nice. Perfect. $70. I'm out for $70, which is really good. Which is nothing. Which is good. So I can still full risk this one. So ideally now, this CL setup will be really good. CL, open low, into that gap, Beautiful. That would be really clean. Silver. Ooh, silver is really also clinging to close to that gap. So let's see. Imagine why I'm playing out, bro. That's gonna be a sad day. Let's see. Okay, so then the new candle is opening up. Let's see if it's just expand lower. My target was like somewhere in here, I guess. Let me check. It was this low, right? Let me check. It was this low here. If I come again and I say it in TP, that would be unfortunate. Okay, let's see if we're gonna respect that G-spot. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Dun, dun, Let me see. Let me check the comments for a bit, man. Why not wait for a new swing to form before entering? Just due to the fact that price just expanding, I was like, you know what? Let me enter. 1 sec, boys. I'm gonna be back. YM is fucking around. Let me check. Let me see the comments. When making out SMT on 2 assets, correct? Oh, wait. Let me see. I was the one. Ooh, please give me the entry. And YM looks so far so good. Like the only area we'll reverse from probably this level. Okay. Let me see. When making out SMT on 2 assets, correct to market on the exact corresponding color asset. Wait. When making out SMT on 2 asset, is it correct to mark it on the exact corresponding candle on the asset regardless if there has been other candles form after on the correlated market? I did not really get what you mean. Like, it would be better if you can send like a screenshot or something. Try to go on a higher time frame than SMT, maybe cleaner. Yep. Higher time frames are risky. If you can check lower time frame, higher SMT is risky, but I try to find 2 stages. No, ideally if you want to find that 2 stage, probably like the M15 or something. At least M15. And it looks like YM, bro, is going lower. Holy. Come on, bro, go higher. Come on. Do not do me dirty like this. Like, don't you see similar hatches? Like, this one looks similar than this range. Like, we range, then we expand. We range. Are we gonna get the expansion? Come on, CL, please give me a setup, please. Okay. Seems like HO wants to give the setup. M15. Do I have any PSPs here or something? Not really. Okay, the current candle is PSP. So if I want to trade HO, it's like it would only if this one closes a PSP. So come on, CL. You got it, CL. Come on. Give me that open low close. Let me see if we're gonna trade to that level on YM. I'm gonna go back to stop loss. Okay, silver. Just trade it back into there. We need this new swing formation here, and we can take it. So first, CL, I will be looking for shorts back to that. Oh, why I'm trading lower, bro. Oh my days. Oh man, life. All right, we could go bend for bend. Fuck that. We can go M for M. Double R with the factory Rams. I got the bravest dearest. Look at YM, man. Holy. I actually wanted it to do this. Wow. Just interesting to see that it did it after I closed the trade. Okay, now, okay, CL, thank you. Thank you, come on. Can you please trade back to the gap? Or at least the order block, please. Come on, one more step. Come on, come on. You got it, CL. Come on. Alright, seems like we might be taking a trade here today. Even though like it seems like a C2 for the time being. But if we break above the high, that would be like a closer above, so let me see why. Are we gonna go to, like, if price gets here, I wanna know. Or if price probably retraces somewhere in here, I wanna know. Okay. CL. Okay, it's time to continue higher. Or probably like if we sweep the gap, that would also be good. But yeah, that's the setup. That's the setup for CL. The YM setup is good, yeah, bro. It's but I closed it, man. Unfortunately, silver and gap M15. Yep. I'm good. What about you, man? Is there a standard time frame line for looking for 2-stage SMT? Like M15 and above. I'm out of YM and then go down. Yeah, bro, same. I got out. Where is it? I got out. Then boom. Yeah. Bro, do you know if there is a way to anticipate a potential strength switch at 9:30 open? I don't trade 9:30, so don't really know, man. But around YM, I'm still in. Good. Good stuff, man. Oh man, I'm not in. I think the minute I closed, it started pushing lower, right? Like what time? When did I close? What candle did I close? Yeah, I closed here and then back. Now it's just, yeah, I've probably been up like $200 right now or something. But still, like the TP is still a bit far, so will it reverse now? That's gonna be the question. Okay, CL. Oh, CL is like really retracing. Seems like we're gonna farm a C2 here. Okay, yeah, seems like I'm gonna farm me. M15. Do I have like a second stage here? Not really. Okay. Let's see. Like this is the time to reverse. Hopefully we just sweep the gap. First time joining. Do you go live every day? Yeah, bro, I go live every day, same time. So welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to give the live stream a thumbs up. We got new records to break. We got some subscriber goals, some like goals. So yesterday we got 76 likes. Now we got 37, like almost half. 37 plus 37 is, what is it? I don't know. 72. I don't remember, bro. We got 38 now. Okay, 76. So now we're at 50%. 38 plus 38, I guess. Yeah, it's 76. Okay. So come on, we gotta break yesterday's record. What do you guys think? At least we get to like 60 or something. Please. Okay, we almost got 40 likes. Perfect. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, I'm aiming to reach 1500 subs by the end of this month. Let's see if we're gonna make it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, that's like the way so you guys can help the channel grow. And yep, if we get that break above, I'm gonna get in, by the way. So far we got this SMT here, but it's not really relevant. It just shows that like CL is still the stronger. It was stronger here, stronger, still stronger, so. Seems like we're gonna continue. If we get that closure, bro, seems like we're gonna continue lower. Bum 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 bum. I'm gonna be risking here $500, which would be one contract. So I'm gonna go with one contract here to the highs. YM? Okay. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna continue or not. We get the new validation level, which is the gap slash the R block, but I think about this time we'll be break even, especially that it's got a relevant swing. And if you guys haven't joined the Discord, there's a description link. I have a Discord. It's a free Discord. You don't have to pay anything. So we got the free Discord here, so you guys can join, and you guys can ask questions. We can have discussion. General, let's see. ICT equals I cannot trade. Okay. So yeah, you guys can join the Discord. Let me see how many members we got. We got 88. So maybe, and the next goal maybe 200 to Discord by the end of this month. Maybe we can get it. Maybe. I guess we can. I think we can get 100 members today. But yeah, if you guys wanna like a community that is for free, that we trade the same. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and join. But like the most important things is that you guys like the live stream and subscribe, and that you guys tune in every day to catch some good trades. What is it today? Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. So Monday, it was that, what is it called? YM trade, CL trade, Wednesday, RB, Thursday. Should I count this YM trade? Okay, that's good. So trade it back. Okay, that was a good exit. Yep. Especially that I just lost $70, so that's good. And yeah, but exactly. For the indicators, guys, like all the indicators, you will find them here under the resources channel. And if somebody found like a good indicator, you guys can share it here. So this is the high time frame candle. This is the PSB. If you guys found anything beneficial, you guys can post it here. You can open like a new post and then post it. So let me see, maybe like somebody joined now. Okay, we haven't nobody joined yet. So yep, you guys can find the indicator, chat, post your trades. We just got 2 trades here so far. So if you guys, oh, this is the moderator. Okay. Time and price. Streaming YouTube. Current activity. Let me see. Watch. Is this me? I think it's. Oh, my brother. Okay, my brother's. Nah, I got you cheating, bro. Let me see. Let me hear you. My bro is live streaming, so let's watch his stream. Let me watch him watching my stream. Here you go. You wanna call it a day, bro? Bro, I just watched your stream, bro. You wanna call it a day? You wanna call it a day now? Come on, bro. This is you, bro. GxT. You wanna call it a day now, bro? That I joined? Come on, man. I got you. I got you. All right. So you guys can go ahead and join if you guys want. The Discord, you guys find it in the description. Okay, this one's still. Let me see. Invite server. Copy. Fetch in your friend list. Come on. Invite server. Come on, give me the link. No. Come on, give me the link, bro. Invite server. Okay, copy. Now I'll go ahead and post it here. And I will pin the comment so you guys can join. Pin message. Okay. Okay, so that was good. That was a good exit. All right, CL. I love oil, bro. I love oil. Just like Trump, man. Me and Trump, we love the same thing, man. I think if we take a winner here, I think a lot of people will subscribe on like live stream. So come on, CL, come on, it's our chance to shine. Come on, bro. We got it, CL. Come on, we got it. Let me set up M5. M5 looks like we might have 80. Holy fuck, we did get already the M5 setup. Holy shit, I did not pay attention to it. But you know what? Let's just. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just wait for the M3. It is what it is. So, hopefully I don't miss it. That's gonna be really unfortunate. But if we M5, let me see if we trade back here. Then I'll be informed. Let's see. You ain't nah, bro. I'll wait for the M3. I'll wait for the M3 because it's kind of the one that kind of swept the gap. So was it? So it was like the setup on the M3. So I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on the M3 because on the M5 there was nothing really that hold. Like if you really check the what on the M5 there's nothing really that hold other than this one. So yeah, I'll just wait for the M3 to close. If we get that closure, I'm in. M3 closure above, I'm in. So if this one fails, I need this next candle, bro, to see IST. The next candle. And look at that. Look at that. Do I have a PSP here? Nah. Okay, seems like we might get some really clean longs here to kind of rebalance this range. M15. I'll be willing to take some sort of M15 trades. Look at that two-stage. Look at that two-stage. Okay. Give me an open low on YM, and I'm going to take it too, bro. Give me an open low. Okay, so let me just go ahead and open YM here. So I'll be looking for YM longs. Take that off. Okay, I want to take YM longs. So I'll be open for CL longs, YM longs. But this is like a probably like full risk, $500 to $600. This one, $300. Because I'll be going against the daily and then the previous 4-hour candle. So on this like a little bit less parallel. I'm just gonna base it on off of a sweep of this major swing and that two-stage correlation at the lows, and the fact that the range is not balanced. It's not rebalanced. So haven't been okay. Let's see if we're gonna get that one or not. 2, 1. Nope. Okay. Don't. Okay. That's good. We still need one more candle. Also, like if I want to use this SMT as an SMT fail, it's not the best. Did we have it? Did we get the? Like, we actually did get it, but the gap is like so small compared to like the M3. So hopefully we get the entry by the M3, and if we do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my stop here instead. But it would be still the same case, like one contract. Wait, do we have MCL? We do have MCL, right? So I can be able to manage the risk better. To probably try to go for a bit more risk. Probably put it here. I'll go with stop here. Probably go with like 14 contracts. 14 MCL. But hopefully I'll get the trade. But wait, let me do something here. So the maximum where I can enter is here, because that's what's gonna give me to R. Here, that's like the max price where I can enter. So if price like spends somewhere in here, that I'll be just looking for to R. Yeah, it will like 12 contracts. Somebody just tagged me on Discord, I guess. Nope. Let me see. Server settings. We got 94. Okay, perfect. Welcome everybody that just joined. Welcome. Let's see. No, I'm not in. I'm waiting for the closure, bro. I'm not waiting for the pullback. I need the closure first and then the pullback. But if it closes somewhere in here, if it closes below this level, then I'll just market execute. If it closes zero, we'll for the limit. Which I think is just gonna expand now. Okay. We're going in with 12 contracts here. No, I'm keep it here. 12 contracts. 12. Okay, good. Come on, CL. Draw, bro. Give me this. Give me my entry, please, and then you can do whatever you want. Okay, so yeah, that's entry, boys. M5. Yeah, the M5 actually expanded a little bit, but I think it's gonna retrace now. It's time. It's time. Come on. Come on. Good, good, good girl. Good girl. Is CL? Oh no, it's a boy. Is it a boy or a girl? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, good. We're in. Trading. Just gonna do ticks. Okay. Wait. What is going on? What the fuck? Did I just execute 9 contracts? Holy. Wait. Come on. We gotta put this one a little bit higher. Okay, now we're at 12. Okay, that's good. It took a lot of time, bro, for it to execute. Alright, now we're in another trade on CL. But still, like I would still anticipate price retrace here. Now we'll go with another extra contract. Go with another contract here. Okay, now put this 13, confirm. I can't make it 13. You cannot modify this order, please cancel the order. Let's do a sell stop here with the one contract. Sell stop. The one contract here. Just gonna go put it here. One contract. No, not the buy stop. Sell limit. One contract should be here. Okay. Because we got 13 contracts. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna lose money or make money. But like, not gonna lie, even if this one hits stop, CL has been really good, so it's time to fuck up my day. Holy. Alright. Should I go for the lows, bro? I'm afraid I will get the same shit that happened to me with the YM. Let me see, how much am I gonna add in terms of risk? If I go with 13 contracts here, $91. Just put it the lows, man. I got bad history. Especially with this inside bar, so. Let's see, adding like $100 of risk. Now this is like problem risking like $700 no. 13 contracts. 600, oh, okay, that's perfect. 600, perfect. Come on, guys, like the live stream. So even if this one hits, you guys know me. For the people that always come in the live stream, if this one hits stop loss, then at least we earn some likes. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to subscribe and like the live stream if you haven't done it already. If you have subscribed, that's good. If you have liked the live stream, if you've liked the live stream already, that's also good. So yeah. Fine, when we get the stop loss or TP. That would be the new rule. So for people that haven't liked the live stream or subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And also, there's a Discord link below. You guys can join this Discord link. Where's here? T-Trades community. It's here under the resources. So, hey Tom, my brother. I'll just go with like 2 contracts here. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a good one. If somebody subscribe, we get the file. Okay, we're at 1432. So we're now at 1442. So if somebody subscribe, then it will be like a file. I keep refreshing. MC Maynard GP. Sounds good. Dun 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 dun. Look at the daily candle, it's already so large. Maybe on YM? You mean YM or CL? If it's CL, proper SMT, target, aligned to the daily, previous 4 hour. Oh man, bro. Is there anyone who's in Atlas funded? Atlas funded. Let me check that out. Is this something good? Since you asked, then there are not a lot of reviews. Well, let's check it out. Atlas funded. Get funded today, Beth. Proper. Where is it located? Dubai? London? What? That's just 100% profit split? Future. MetaTrader, okay. CFD? Instant. 100k, how much? Oh, that's cheap. Instant? Are you sure? What the hell? That's so cheap. If this platform is legit, that's actually so cheap. That's actually so cheap. For the instant to get it for 466, I guess FTMO is for that price for 100k, and it's not a it's a 2-step. Oh, special deal. Let's see the special deal they got. If you really check, go with DUSD. Where is the 100k? Like, look at that. 439, the same price, and we're gonna get an instant account, and the overall loss is like 5%. Holy, what the fuck? That's really cheap, not gonna lie, man. Let me see the what. Nah, bro, when you see such offers, man, that shit is crazy, man. This, I remember, like my forex funds, they used to do the same stuff, 100 for 50% and then 30% off, and then they went out of business like within 6 months. So let me see. I think you. What's like the General programs, affiliate program, trader and those. Let's just get to getting paid. What is the default profit split? How often can I request? How does the payout on demand? What is the payout guarantee? I want to see like that. Alright. FAQ. Let me go to FAQ. Access after you pass. Instant fund. Okay, that's good. Minimum trading days. 5. 1% gain per day. Oh, they want you to fuck up, bro. Really? They want you to make 1k per day so that you can blow the account. Trailing drawdown. Okay. That's another fucking up there. The refund on 50 payouts. Who's gonna make it to the 5th? Less likely you're gonna make it to the 5th, especially with such thing. 1%? You exceed daily drawdown. Brace results in immediate permanent if your account exceeds your. You risk more than 1% on a single asset and your floating loss amount. Okay, at least it's the end of day, so it's good. Okay, I want to become an affiliate, just like I did with my funded futures and they rejected. Let me see. High conversion, up to 20%, fast payout. No, bro. From evaluation accounts to cash bonuses, bro. The only thing I want to do, like really, like this is really what I want to do, guys. If I want to get a, what is it called? I really want to be an affiliate with like one of the prop firms, but only if they're gonna give me like an account or two where I can do a giveaway. I would really love to. And I don't care about like the, I don't want them to give me like a TRT code. I don't care. I can promote them for free. And I just want to give away like 1 or 2 accounts per month. That would be really good. So 10% commission, custom affiliate, Atlas funded partners, 10 unique, 15, nah, exclusive promotions, nah. They don't give accounts. Oh, if you do honor referrals, they're gonna be 1k evaluation account. And 1k bonus. Bro, why am I heard the alert, bro? But let me just be on that one, man. I'll let it do its thing. I'll just stay on CL. I'm too tired, man, to manage 2 trades. I'll just wait for that one. Either my 1k or minus $600, so. Bro, CFD spread or shit. Yeah, no, not that much. Not that much. Oh, wait, no, I had a prop from account. What is it called? Wait. Let me do this. MetaTrader. Wait, stay with me here, guys. But it's not that like it's not that bad. It's not like so bad. It's not. I cannot take it off here. The spread is like 1 point. It's not that bad. Okay, I just checked. It said 1 point spread. Let me show you guys the main. Look at that. For NQ, what is it? It's a 1 point spread, so it's not that much. If you really check on them, like the M3, look at the spread. It's almost nothing. It's nothing. So if I want to trade Nasdaq, it's nothing, man. So, but just for indices, also like for gold and stuff. Like gold, look at that, bro. Look at gold. Wait, let me show you guys. It's just a 1 pip. It's almost not existent, bro. Look at the spread. Look at the spread. It's almost non-existent. Look at that. This is the 1 minute, by the way. This is the 1 minute. So, like they used to be bad, but now they're not. Like CFD prop firms are not that bad with the spread and stuff. Like this is by the way Alpha Capital. So I had an account with Alpha Capital, and they already have like a futures prop firm and stuff. So check Elite Traders funded. Become a funded trader. Gain rare capital and transfer. Is this also like, oh, trader evade rhythmic? They logged me out of trader evade, bro. What the hell? Let me log back in. Okay. Oh, like that again. Back. Back. Where is it? Here? On here? Okay. One step. Wait, this is it's like a futures platform, right? Because it shows here trade of 8. Okay, trade of 8. Nice, good. Trade view. That's good. One step. What account type is this? What account size is this? Probably like the wait. Max payout. Oh, 3K. Activation fee as low as activation fee. No, I hate when there is an activation fee. I don't like it. No, I wouldn't really like it. No, I wouldn't really get one. All good, bro. Wayne, what about you? Go to instant fund. I know instant fund and I go, but bro, their accounts are a bit sus. I guess I checked it out earlier. I think I did check it out. I think I checked it at some point. I think I did check it. I'm doing good. How are you, refined trader? Remember me? Manas does. The guy from Bangladesh, I guess. CL risky. For me, it's fine, man. If it plays out, it plays out. I'm using GxT. The spreads are killing me. Go to fund it. I don't know GxT. Go to fund the trader or something. GMT funding. Let me do something here. My phone. Come on, CL. What the fuck you doing? Go up. Come on. Listen to me. Okay, or maybe like reverse off of the low. Like you're allowed to do that. You are allowed to do it. Especially that this new candle. Ideally, you want to kind of reverse off of that current low. So let me just put this one here. So for the people that join, they know that we're in a trade. So that if they want to take a loss too, they can join this trade. Let me check. Instant funding. Let me just put it somewhere like this. Okay. Instant funding. Okay, it says works in the US. Account size $600. How much does it cost? $44. Interesting. $84. You can just go ahead and get my funded futures with that one. That much money, bro. Just pass the account. But this one, max drawdown 10%. Interesting. Profit split 80%. Okay. All in over 9 out of available currencies 110. It looks good. It looks fine, man. But like, if you want like a reasonable account, at least 10K. Look, that's the crazy thing. Look at that, bro. Like for 10K, you're gonna get it for 459. And for that prop firm that we saw, this one I guess. Like that's the crazy part. Like look at that. It was also instant. Was it this? No, it was not this one. What was it called? Let me check. It was somewhere in here. Elite. No, not Elite. Before it. What was it called? I forgot the name, man. Atlas. Yeah, Atlas. The same price, bro. For like 10K, there you're gonna get 100K, bro. It's crazy. Okay, come on, CL. Stop fucking around. Go up. Yeah, like Instant looks more legit than Atlas, bro. Especially for that price. Like, look at the 100K here. Let's go with like 80K. Look how much it cost. 3.7K. 5.6K. 5.5K. Like, it's just crazy, man. 2 stages empty fill on oil, man. Let me check. Let me see. I'm just letting it do its thing, man. We got the SMC here. 2-stage PSP. No, it's not, bro. There's no SMC fill here. 30 minute? There's no SMC fill. There's no gap here, by the way. So yeah. At least, like, ideally I want to see price reversal right now. Like, you already formed the wick. Like, I kind of traded back to the EQ, the range. There's the EQ. Come on, go up. Like, there's nothing really to kind of reverse off of other than this low here. So, like, if we filter reverse now, bad news. But we still haven't, like, that's why I moved my stop here. So, let's see. Let's go to MCL, man. Two stages MC fill on ultra, by the way? Of course it is. No, it is not, bro. Oh, for the highs. You mean by the highs? Okay, okay. But wait. I did for not for long. Yep, it is. We're having that one, bro. But I'm just gonna trust that CL is gonna do something here, like taking me out. That's the only thing we can do. So what we ended up having is like this gap holding. Having that second stage now. Okay, so I'm about to get taken out, boys. This is like more of like a sad song, so this is me now. Let me see why I am. Let's see. Plus 30-minute PSP, 3-minute inversion for value gap. At the beginning, that was a good one. Yeah, it was. Well, let's see. I'm just gonna hold it. Because how much am I gonna save myself? Like $100? So let's just take the risk and hold it all. Let's just wait. Come on, can we get like 50 likes, guys? Because we're gonna get the minus 50 ticks here, so at least we rebalance them by the likes. So if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That would really help the channel grow. And yeah, so that more people can take some good losses. This reminds me of YM. I hope we got the same setup on YM, bro. Like, nah, we're not. Come on. Come on, you can CL. Come on, let's hit the M15. What did it do? Wait. So the M15 just closed. Come on. M15. Ah, man, if I get it just... Did it just close out? We got 29 seconds. Okay, let me check. HO, bearish. Okay, I'm out. I'm not. I am. And here we go. The next 15-minute candle. Come on, push. Do something and push higher. Let's go. I'm out. Oh, just 6 contracts have been executed. All right, I'm out. I'm out, boys. Let me take that off. Yep. So CL was not really good for us, man. So wait, let me do something here. Wait. All right. So CL, yeah, seems like that gap is ended up holding. That gap which is that new invalidation level. This one closes the PSP. We get the 2-stage here. 3 minute. Yeah, seems like this CISD now is just kind of holding right now to kind of trade back to the lows. Like this CISD now. This what seems like it's holding right now. So yeah, that was a bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's see. Look at that. We got a C2 closure. PSP. Are we gonna get a 2-stage here? If we get a 2-stage. No, but I'm not gonna take any trade here today, boys. For today, I'm done. One trade, done. That's it. But yeah, that was like a. Let me see, a 4-hour. We're just a little bit deep into the range. 3 minute. It was fine. I'm not gonna lie. It was a fun trade. But I think maybe with that second stage, when we got that second stage here, probably should have managed my trade. Like after the CISD, yeah, I should have managed my trade something. So, yep, I think that's the only thing I could have done. Other than that, I don't think it was that bad. HO, RB, yeah, it is what it is. Check Funded Pro. Funded Pro. Come on. From the original platform with daily rewards. Alright, seems like I'm going with this one to get my payout today. Try to make back whatever I. Okay, get instant accounts. Let's see. Deny. Get instant accounts. Let me see. Instant funded accounts. Come on, I don't want no cookies, bro. Get funded with 200k today. Okay. What? I don't want to register. Okay, let me see how much it costs. 10k? That's good. That's a good price. Not gonna lie. 169 for 410k for a meter trade. But like, what are the rules to get a payout? Instant accounts. Let's see. How drawdown works. Risk management use reward roles and requirement. Okay, let's check. Minimum bi-weekly. Minimum bi-weekly processing time, rising crypto. For the first 2 rewards are capped to 5% of account. Any exceeding rewards will remain in your account with no impact on your consistency rule. So there is a consistency rule. If they're marginal. Rewards frequency bi-weekly. I'm not sure. Consistency rule? Let's see what's the consistency rule. Oh, 15%. So it's better just to get a funded account, bro. Just to pass the account. Like by the time you're gonna get, how many shares you have to take? 7 to be able to be eligible for a payout. So if you're gonna get 7 winners, I'll probably just go to my funded futures or another prop firm and then pass the account, and you have like a 50%. Even though like you have to make $250 or $200 a day, but yeah, I think it's a bit better. That's my opinion, I guess. See, yeah, let's see where we're gonna get now. Did I get swept? Did I get swept and now price wants to continue higher? Is that what it looks like? Is that what it looks like, guys? Have we traded below the low? We did. Okay. So we have this second stage. Will this close as a PSP? But yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna take it. Like, I already kind of just shot my shot there. So yeah, it's a bit late for me, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and clock out right now. I'm feeling really, really tired. So see you guys tomorrow, same time. Just gonna go ahead and do the breakdown for that trade. How I lost. So man, I haven't even posted the YM trade. So I got CL and now CL. So whatever that money that I made on CL, I say got like I'm up an R from for that week. No, I'm break even. Holy, I'm break even for that week. Okay, that was it for this week. See you guys tomorrow, same time. And yeah, we'll see some changes probably from February. Probably. So yeah, that's really it for me, guys. See you, take care, and see you tomorrow.